Amanda with StraightSmile Solutions, StraightSmileSolutions.com, and today we're going to talk about using the InFace or InSmile Superimposition feature with Invisalign. A couple of you have been asking about how to do that. So in order to have access to that, you have to go on your, and by the way, this software that I'm showing you a screen share of is a screen share of what your ClinCheck 6.0 looks like within your account. If you go to the top, there's going to be a little thing called Smile. Now, if you're doing this on a phone, they sometimes hide some of the tabs within tabs. So this is if you're looking at a desktop. So it looks like a little smile here. Now, you can see when I hover over it on this case, and quite a lot of cases, it says this initial smile photo was not uploaded via Invisalign Photo Uploader. So in order to have access to this, you have to be using the Invisalign Photo Uploader app on your phone or an iPad in office to capture the records of your patient. If you're not doing that, if you're just using your regular DSLR camera or whatever, and then uploading it later, that's great. There's nothing wrong with that, but you won't have access to this. So, and it has to be like a big cheesy smile. A lot of you aren't taking proper smile photos. The reason we take big cheesy smile photos is allows us to really see how mobile a lip is, how much gum line is showing, etc. So if you don't do it the right way and send the right kind of photo, you will, when you hover over this, you won't see what you're seeing. If you do it the right way, then you'll see the patient smiling photo, but with straight teeth, with the proposed straight teeth. So if there's gaps, they'll be closed, etc., which is actually a really powerful thing because you can show the patient, hey, this is you with perfect teeth. It's just an estimation based on your ClinCheck, but it's their own teeth. It's not like an actual simulation. So it's actually a super powerful thing to share with the patient. So just thought you'd want to check it out. A lot of people don't know about this feature. All right, thanks so much.